How to use Hargreaves Lansdown app. Download the Hargreaves Lansdown app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and register for a new account if you do not have one. Enter your personal details and follow the instructions to complete registration. Wait for the PIN sent by post and enter it in the app to activate your account. Log in using your username and password. Enable fingerprint or face recognition for faster access. Explore account types such as stocks and shares, ISA, SIP, fund and share account, or active savings. Browse investment options and place buy or sell orders directly through the app. Create watchlists and set up price alerts to monitor your investments. Check your portfolio regularly and use educational resources or contact support if needed. Thank you for watching.